Hello friends, I welcome you all to Crazy Calculation series of Board and Beyond. So before we start today's session friends, I just wanted to apologize that in the previous session 37 cube there was a problem, there was a mistake in finding out 37 cube, so which I will correct it. My sincere apologies to you all, right? And somebody could figure it out also, that's good. So that is one thing. So in this class is not purely on Vedic mathematics friends, right? This class is purely to make your life little easier, okay? Whenever you come across pi 22/7, right? So how do you tackle with it, right? So how do you find out whether the number is divisible by 7 or not? One thing. How do you take up a multiplication with 22, sorry, okay? What is the method in which we can reduce little time when we are multiplying with 22, right? So that is what we will see actually in this class, right? So just to correct that, whatever the mistake I did in the last class, what I am going to do is that I am going to take a sphere, okay, which has got a dia of 37 centimeters, and we will try to find out a volume for that, correct? Okay. So question is sphere dia 37 centimeters, right friends? We are expected to find the volume. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube, right? Which is also equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, that is 37 by 2 cube. Right friends? Okay. So which can also be written as 4 into 22 divided by 21 into 37 cube divided by 8. Correct? Right? So let's do 37 cube from Vedic mathematics, right? So 37 cube. Right friends? So what did I tell you in the last class? The cube of first number has to come here. That is equal to your 27. Cube of this is 27 is equal to 3 cube, right? Which has come here. Now 27 divided by 3, answer is 9. So 9 into 7, your second number is 63, which will come here. Correct? 63 divided by 3, answer is 21. 21 into 7 is 147, will come here. 147 divided by 3 is 49. 49 into 7, answer is 343. 7 cube is 343, which will come there, right? Now double of 63 will be written below 63, that is equal to 126. Double of 147, 4, right, will be written below 147. Now we write it in this form, we add it and write 343, right? Last digit as it is, rest 2 in the base, and then 7 here and 2 in the base. Correct? Now just for a cross check friend, I forgot to tell you in the last class, right? This last number should be the cube of your last number, right? If you have not done any mistake. If you have done any mistake, this will not be cube of the last digit, units digit. So once it is not, please be sure that you have done some mistake here. Okay? So 7 cube is 343, so it's correct. Right? This is a cross check point. Right? So how should I say? I will say that last number is cube of last digit, right? And first number is cube of first digit. Cube of first digit, right? Here. Okay. So we'll further process. We'll further continue this. We'll write the answer now. So 3 and we will add it like this as discussed in the last class. So 34 plus 1 is 35. We will write 5 here, and 3. Let's take, we will take 3 here. 3 is actually carry forward for me. So 47 plus 9 is 56. Remaining is 5. I will bring the 5 here. 23 plus 7 is 33. I will bring 3 here. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 50653 is the right answer, friends. Right. So now coming back here, 4 into 22 into 50653 divided by 21 into 8. This is what we have got, right? Now just see, we will try to find out, this will be 21, okay, so there is a 7 in it, okay, so which we can write it as 3 into 7 as well, okay, earlier it was 3 into 7 itself. Now we will try to find out whether 50653 is divisible by 3. So divisibility by 3, I hope everybody understands, right? That if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. That is what it is, right? So 5 plus 6, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 3, 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. So hence this number is not divisible by 3, right? Let's say we'll check it for whether this number is divisible by 7 or not, right? So 50653. How do we do? We write apart from the last number, that is your 3, write everything leaving the last number, okay, that is 4 digits, 5065. Subtract double of 3, that is 6. Why 6? Since 6 is double of last digit. I am writing the explanation here. It is double of last digit, right? 6. Okay, since I have written it here, so I will just take it in the next step and write the answer here. How much it will be, friends? Right? Correct. Now 505 minus double of last digit, again same thing, right? Which will be equal to how much now? 487. Correct. Now 48 minus double of last digit, 14. Again same concept, right? That is equal to how much? 4 and 3. Now we see 34, 34 is not divisible by 7. So that means this entire number is not divisible by 7. Okay. Then once it is found that it is not divisible by 7, let us cut all the numbers, whatever is possible, and then proceed further. 4 to the 8, 2 into 11, right? So this will remain as it is. Now we know this 50653 multiplication with 11, right? Let me tell you here. 50653 into 11. So friends, you all know that how to multiply with 11, right? Okay. So this is, write your last digit as it is, then keep adding. That is 5 plus 3 will come down. Okay. 8, 6 plus 5, 11. 1 will come here, 1 go carry forward. Okay. 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 is, 0 into 6 is 0. 1 second. 3. Okay, 1 second. 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. And 0 plus 6 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 5 plus 0 is 5. Right? Okay. So this is 3 plus 2. Okay. So we can actually do that. Right, friends? So we'll just cross check it once more, because I got slightly distracted. right? Okay, so no problem, I'll do it here. 5 or here itself, no? Into 11. So 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 5 is 11, carry forward is 1, 0 plus 6 plus 1 is 7, 5 plus 0 is 5 and remaining 5. So 5, 5, 7, 1, 8, 3. That was right, no problem. So 5, 5, 7, 1, 8, 3 divided by 21. Now we need to divide it by 21 and then find the answer. That's it. Okay, so 21 2s are, right? 44, 42. Remaining is 13. Let's do it here because orally it will be difficult. 21, 42, 13. 5, no, 6. So 6, 126. So 1, 1. Then 1 is coming down. Then definitely 5. 105. Then 6. I'll continue it here. 6 and 8. Okay. 8 coming down. 21. 3. 21 3 just 63. 5 coming, 3 coming down. 21 into 2 is 42. 11 coming down. So we will take this much, 26532.5. It is almost like that, right? So 26532.5 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the sphere, right friends? Okay, so I'll take one more problem and then just tell you the divisibility by 7. Okay, so that will help you because maybe you would have a little bit of confusion. So I'll just rub everything off. Okay, let's take 39809. Right friends, we want to find out whether this is divisible by 7 or not. So what do? 3980. Okay, last digit is 9. So what we will do is that we will leave everything apart from the last digit minus the double of last digit in this. That's it, right? So how much? This is 2, right? 3, 9. Correct. So now 3, 9, 6 minus double of last digit, again 4. Right? So this is 392. Now 3, 9 minus double of last digit, that is 4. That is equal to 3, 5. Now we see that 35 is divisible by 7 here. Okay. If you want, we can process it further also. 3 minus double of last digit, that is 10, is equal to minus 7. So friends, to find out the divisibility by 7, we have to do this process and we have to do it till when? We have to do it till the time we reach either 0 or a multiple of 7 in plus or minus, positive or negative. Okay. So now we see that it has come to minus 7. So it's a multiple of 7 but negative, no problem. It can be positive or negative or it can have last digit as 0 also. This step it can have 0 also, right? So in all these scenarios, whether 0 or plus multiple of 7 or negative multiple of 7, we say that the entire number is divisible by 7, right? So you can practice a few more at your place, right? So this number is divisible by 7. Similarly, I'll take a very small one, okay, just to illustrate, just for your benefit, 2401, right? So friends, we write 240, that is, we leave this number and write everything, and we double this number and write here. This 2 here is 2 is equal to double of last digit, right? This 2, I'm talking about this 2. So this gives me 238. Correct, friends? Now again here we write the first two numbers, that is we leave the last number, that's it. It's not that we write first two, we leave the last number and write everything. Okay, minus double of last number 16 is how much? 7. What do we see, friends? This has come up as 7, so 7 is a multiple of 7, right? Positive, and this number is divisible by 7, right, friends? So this technique, how to find out the divisibility by 7, how to multiply with 22, wherever 22 occurs for a multiplication, what do you do is that you write 22 into 2 into 11. It will make your life easier. Okay, multiply with 2, then multiply with 11, right? We all know how to multiply with 11. That's right. So this was the class for today. So let's meet up in the next class, friends. So till the time we meet next, be happy, be safe, keep learning with us, keep enjoying with us. Thank you so much for joining. All the best. God bless you all. Bye. Thank you.